The KTM 1290 Super Duke R remains one of the fiercest maxi-nakeds on the market, remaining a radical reference in the segment with its engine, electronics package and assertive image. Price of the KTM 1390 Super Duke R €22,699. The beast evolves with the arrival of the KTM 1390 Super Duke R in 2024. The numbers are scary. The engine is a development of the well-known LC875 V-twin. Its displacement increases from 1301 to 1350 cc, bore increases to 110 mm, which allows it to increase its maximum power to a brutal 190 horsepower at 10,000 rpm, previously 180 horsepower, and 145 Nm of torque at 8,000 rpm, previously 140 Nm. It allows. Another innovation is the camshaft variable distribution system, which adjusts the opening time of the valves depending on the rotation speed, providing more power and torque throughout the rev range, thus providing more fuel consumption. Changes have also been made to the injection mapping and air intake, injection system and gearbox 5th and 6th, making it compliant with €5+. It is worth noting that valve maintenance intervals have also been increased to every 60,000 kilometers. The total declared consumption is 5.9 L/100 kilometers. We see one of the changes made to the KTM 1390 Super Duke R in its aesthetic appearance, which manages to be even more challenging. The LED front optics are completely new, now with an even more alien appearance. The position and daytime running lights are on the edges and now have automatic intensity adjustment according to the ambient light sensor in the instrument. The dipped beam is located in the middle area and turns on automatically when it gets dark. This headlight assembly also reduces its weight by 700 grams compared to the previous model. New spoilers and some winglets are added to the tank to provide more aerodynamic support without sacrificing more weight. The subframe has a large cover that even eliminates the taillight, now on turn signals, and provides a cleaner view. All this allows it to have a lower, more compact and at the same time muscular overall appearance. The air intake and filter box have been redesigned, allowing the tank's capacity to grow to 17.5 liters, 1.5 L more than the previous model. This not only helps ergonomics in that area but also increases its autonomy to around 300 kilometers. In fact, the position is more aggressive and angled to give the tank more confidence when braking. The handlebar is positioned lower to provide better control without compromising comfort. The KTM 1390 Super Duke R significantly increases its stability at high speeds and agility at low speeds without compromising riding comfort, thanks to details such as separate compression, rebound and preload settings and the updated 48mm open cartridge WP apex fork with 125 mm of travel. At the rear axle we also see a revised WP apex monoshock with separate air and oil reservoirs and separate high-speed or low-speed compression settings. In this evolution, the DCC dynamic chassis control system has also been improved, ensuring that the shock absorber provides a better balance between comfort and performance. As for the brakes, they are once again Brembo with a 240mm rear disc with 2-piston calipers and Stylema 4-piston monoblock calipers biting two 320mm floating discs. The equipment of the KTM 1390 Super Duke R is tremendous, with new details such as the coming home welcome light. The light stays on for a few seconds after the ignition is turned off. Thanks to the 5-inch color TFT screen with USB-C charging connection, the pilot has everything at his fingertips. We see new graphics on the screen where every function and data can be seen. In addition, navigation has been redesigned. As an option, you can add the all-new engine brake control, which allows you to adjust engine braking in 5 levels. Also optional is the anti-wheel lift system, which has been revised to have greater differences between the different levels and is now divided into 5 levels specific degrees of wheel lift. The 2024 KTM 1390 Super Duke R pays homage to the 30th anniversary of the first Duke with a black option and also an orange color scheme with the same scheme as the 990 Super Duke from 2005.